Salulu everybody! Hello, hello, hello! Welcome, welcome! I am NullO of RainbowBriĝo Progetto, or RainbowBriĝo P for short. I am a soul in a hamster seedling form on a cosmic journey of creativity. A content creator who just loves to create whatever their heart desires. I am here to manifest all sorts of creations with the power of artistic expression with music, art, writing, and anything else that is a creative outlet. Yay! A couple months ago, I helped beta test a course created by Syafire of Syafire Studios, and the course was called Character Creation for Beginners. And I actually have a bit of a background knowledge when it comes to creating characters. I took a course many lifetimes ago on costume design, like for theater and all that kind of stuff. Anyways, it went a bit into depth of how one creates a character and tells a story through the character's outfits. So this course, I wanted to help beta test and also learn more stuff because I'm always looking to expand my knowledge, Anyways, this course is really cool. Let's see. I honestly, despite the current knowledge I already have, taking this course actually expanded further on my knowledge. It just helped me refresh my memory and creative juices of character creation, and this course really goes into depth from starting with your rough ideas to creating a backstory. And the best thing is you don't need to know how to draw. This course is for everybody. I believe it's for everybody. Even if you're a complete beginner and don't know where to start, this course is a good starting point, and I say it's a good investment for long term. Whether you're a hobbyist or have intentions to become a professional, or anything in between. I like how easy this course is to follow, and I think even if you're someone with prior knowledge on character creation like I am, I think this is still a good course to take. It's a good course to still take because then it helps you refresh your memory on the bare basics, on your foundation, as well as even provide new resources to add onto your toolbox of character creations. Yes. Another thing that's great about this course is that there's a Discord server exclusive for this course, so you can join a community of other people and other souls joining this course and taking it. And another great thing is that you can take your time. There's honestly no deadline. But of course you don't want to keep everyone waiting, but it's another cool thing because you have forever access to the lessons, and it's like a one-time payment kind of thing. And yeah, you have access for a very long time. And access to an amazing artistic community, which is awesome. To give everyone an idea of what to possibly expect from this course, or assignments and all that kind of stuff, I will share some of my my homework, as I for lack of better words, some of my homework to give you guys a little bit of a visual idea and kind of maybe explain a little bit of my process. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see. So let's go over here. So I recall one of the first assignments is called a mind map. It's in the course. So basically what you do is you just it doesn't matter if you're very silly. You just jot down every single idea. This is the very first step. And then I'm gonna just quickly go by some of my. So you also do a mood board here just for my character. So I did 3. We do 3. Yeah, so do a mood board, and then okay. I think the next slide is So I'm a visual kind of soul. Okay, I'm going to quickly go here. Okay, this is my character. I'm gonna reiterate: you do not need to know how to draw, but I am a very visual soul, and when I have a vision, sometimes it's very hard for me to write things down. So I just decided to draw because again, I already know how to draw, but again, don't need to know how to draw in this or to take this course. Drawing is not required, but I've taken some liberties with my assignments. So this is a concept sketch of my character named Roy Norris. And then also I have a little description. We also so yeah, one of the main assignments is actually writing a bit of like descriptions about your characters. So this is my character's little biography kind of introduction. It's not finished yet, but it's just, again, everything's rough. But yeah, this is basically what a bit of my little assignment looks like. Yeah, my character's technically not done yet. I do plan on working on him over time and fleshing him out more, but I figured I'd share a little bit on my side of my homework and give you guys a little bit of an idea of what to expect. And I'm going to say this again: you do not need to know how to draw to take this course. Everyone can take this course if they feel inspired to learn more on character creation. Overall, the character creation for beginners course by Syafire of Syafire Studios is an amazing course. My own words do no justice of how great this course is. Please, I just highly recommend taking it and seeing for yourself, because the greatest way of knowing how great something is by actually experiencing it yourself. What I've mentioned is a very a taste. There's so much more information and resources available in the course. Yes. Anyways, thanks for watching, and this is NullO of RainbowBriĝo Progetto signing off. Bye bye.